If you have a question about something or you're unsure how to do something, what is the first place you go? You go to Google, right? Just like you, I will never know what people did in the past before the age of Google. Well, let me begin by letting you in on a new way to make a little extra cash by Googling questions and getting answers with Google. You can earn tens, hundreds, and even thousands of dollars just by utilizing Google. Welcome back to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Today, I am here to teach you how to earn up to $5 a song just by using Google. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all of the awesome and legit ways to make money online. Let's get started. Now, all you have to do is head over to google.com, and then we will need to open another tab and type in mindsumo.com. I want to warn you really quick that this can get a little tricky, so be careful to listen and follow each of the instructions that I will be showing you in this video. After you open mindsumo.com, you'll see that MindSumo is a crowdsourcing website that provides solutions to problems using other people's opinions. If you scroll down a little bit, you will find every company that has worked with them. Crocs, Avon, Pepsi, Microsoft, Spotify, Amazon, Adidas, Facebook, Disney, Mercedes-Benz, and so much more. All of them have been helped by MindSumo at some point, and this brand's problems are provided with a solution. So if you scroll down further, you can see their past successes and past projects from the companies that are consulting MindSumo for solutions. Now, if you would go back to the top, you will see the other option, which is what we are going to use. So you will want to click on I am a problem solver. And if you scroll down for a little bit, you will see some video testimonials of people who use mindsumo.com. Now, what I want you to do is look at the upper right corner and click on log in or sign up. Now, if you already have an account, just enter your login details. But if you don't have an account, click on the I don't have an account yet, and you will be redirected to a new page where you will enter the necessary information like your first name, last name, location, email, and password. Then, just put in all other information. And for the creative skills, you do not want to select low proficiency because that will indicate to clients that you are not competitive enough. So you will have a lower chance of getting paid. So you can select at the very least average proficiency or even higher proficiency if you are confident enough in your creativity skills. You would also want to do the same thing with marketing skills and technical skills. Now, it depends on you if you want to answer the following boxes, so you can type in why you are interested in MindSumo and the projects that you are interested in. Now, you can log in to your account and go back to the dashboard and look back at the past projects. And you can see that some of these people are getting paid hundreds and some are getting paid thousands of dollars just by giving solutions to problems. Now, if you would look to the left side part, there is a section where you can filter the challenges based on your skill set. So if you would click any of them, for instance, if you select Humanities and Arts, the challenges available will change to list only those that are connected to humanities and arts. Or if you click on business, the same thing will happen. Now, all you have to do is click a challenge that has not been completed and you can still submit your own answer. Watch closely so that you will know what to do and really make money out of this. So what you will have to do is to copy the title, which is usually the problem or the challenge. Then all you have to do is to go back to Google and paste what you copied from MindSumo. After that, a lot of articles and blogs will pop up. You will need to read some of those articles, then you can choose which one is the best fit for your challenge question. It is important that you choose something that actually answers the problem. Then you will just have to copy it. Then you will head over to either Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or any other platform. Then paste your article there. Now, the important part is that you will have to change that article a little bit. So you can start by editing the font, changing colors, and font size. But to really make it your own, you can paraphrase it yourself. However, to make it even easier, you can open another app called Spinbot.com. Now, using Spinbot.com, all you have to do is copy the original article from Google. Then you can see in Spinbot that there is a box. If you click that box that says paste here, then the original article will automatically paste. Then you can just wait and watch Spinbot recreate that article and turn it into a new piece, as if you wrote it. You will need to proofread it to make sure it makes sense and is quality work before submitting it though. From there, you can copy your new link and go back to Google Docs. To make it more creative, you will still have to edit a few things. Maybe you can change a little bit of the words and tweak it before you actually save it to your computer. Now, here is the part where we actually monetize your new article and get a chance to earn hundreds of dollars. I want you to go back to MindSumo.com, simply log into your account, then scroll down a little bit. You will see the available challenges that you saw earlier. Now, you will select the challenge that you have selected earlier, and if you click on it, you can check out how much they are willing to pay to those who participates and gets chosen. But remember that they differ in every challenge. Some will pay a few $100s and some are even willing to pay thousands of dollars to a certain percentage of the people who will give the best solutions. You can also find how many submissions are already there for that challenge and how many days are remaining before they close that challenge. What you will do is simply click that button that says, I have an idea. Then at the bottom, you can paste your answer there and you will have the chance to be selected. Keep in mind that you will not get all of the money listed. The total amount will be divided among the participants that are selected. But don't worry, because here's a tip. If you repeat the same thing to more and more challenges, you will have a higher chance of being selected and therefore earn lots of money. Now, if that helped you a lot, then please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon to get notified of the best and easiest ways possible to earn some more money online. Also, check out our other videos here on Money Kings and comment down below what's your favorite Money Kings video on how to make money fast online. As always, thank you for watching.